Hi everyone, it is freezing in Joburg today and I'm going to teach you all about Thieves. So a little while ago, Young Living Africa launched this new starter kit that's based on the Thieves range of household cleaners. This range is pretty amazing, mainly because it is completely toxin free and plant based, and it ends up being really economical even though you wouldn't think so at first, and I'm going to show you how. So to look at that Thieves range to begin with, it has 6 products in. One of them is the Thieves hand soap. This is really fantastic. It doesn't have sodium lauryl sulfate in it, which is a really it's a really bad toxin that's in anything that foams. And the clever thing they've done is they've added this foam pump top, so it basically fills it with air, so you get a whole handful of foam that you can wash your hands with. This is really awesome for kids because it feels really nice, and my son is for once actually getting the foam all over his hands and washing properly. So I highly recommend this, especially now when we're having to wash our hands all the time. It's good to be using something plant-based. You feel the difference. It doesn't really dry out your hands half as much as other hand soaps would. You also get the Thieves dish soap, also another great plant-based toxin-free product. It's really concentrated, so it goes a long way, I'm finding, and I'll show you just how I use that. Then you've got the Thieves laundry soap. It's a big bottle, you can see it. Okay, so Thieves laundry soap. This is also concentrated. I'm going to show you how to split this to make 3 liters out of it. And in each bottle like this, you can get 64 loads. So multiply that by 3. That's a lot of washes. So again, it works out really well. Then dental care. Okay, my Thieves toothpaste is almost out, but here's the Thieves whitening toothpaste. Guys, I'll tell you the truth. I wasn't sold on buying a toothpaste at this price, and then I thought I'll just give it a try. I dare you to do the same. You will not go back. This is unbelievable. So I used it for a while, and then I thought, oh, I'll go back to my other toothpaste, which I was using for sensitive teeth. And I brushed my teeth. I know I brushed my teeth, and a little while later I was sitting there wondering, did I brush my teeth? It just didn't feel quite as fresh. Also, this has helped me with sensitivity more than my previous toothpaste, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to be sticking with it. Also with that is the Thieves mouthwash, and I know it looks like a tiny bottle, but again, another super concentrated bottle product, so I'll show you how you can split this as well. Last but not least, okay, this is not the bottle that's in the kit. It's a much smaller bottle. I think it's almost 500 mils, 425 mils. And I got this big one from the States because I love this stuff. And it's everything you could possibly need. So I actually have a presentation here to help me so I don't forget to tell you anything. This whole range is based on Young Living's Thieves essential oil. And this is a combination of cinnamon, clove, lemon, rosemary and eucalyptus radiata. So it smells incredible. It has amazing cleansing properties. It destroys germs, and it's really gentle on your skin. You could lick it if you want to, nothing would happen. I'm not saying go and drink any of your cleaning products, please, but they are plant-based and they're not poisonous. So this is really great thinking about our kids and our pets who are a lot of the time on the floor, or I don't know if it's just my kids, but at least you know your home is a whole lot safer and we're not just absorbing toxins from everything we touch. Okay, so it's easy to make these changes, and I'm not saying go out and, you know, get the whole kit straight off and throw everything out. I didn't do that. I slowly phased things out, and when I ran out of one product that I used to use, I then ditched that and switched to something cleaner. Now I have a completely toxin-free home. It's really easy for me to keep up with, and I'm really enjoying it and feeling the difference as well, energy-wise, and we're not really getting sick anymore. Allergies have not been a problem for a long time, so I think it really works. So I think the best way to start is with awareness and then taking action in small steps. So the Thieves product line is free from sodium lauryl sulfate, parabens, triclosan, phthalates, phosphate dyes, synthetic ingredients, fluoride, preservatives, perfumes, and formaldehyde. And you'll be surprised to know that those ingredients are pretty much in every other cleaning product we have, plus more. and it's actually quite scary. It's in tiny amounts, but we don't only use it every now and again. These are things that are used in our home every day pretty much, and it doesn't matter if you're not the person actually doing the cleaning, you're still touching the surfaces all the time, so you are exposed to it, and you can just do so much better for your body. So the Thieves Household Cleaner, we're going to start with that, and I'm going to show you how to make quite a few things. So it's naturally derived plant-based ingredients, and it has little dilution on the back to help you. Now the bottle that you get in the kit, the smaller one, you can get 29 500ml spray bottles out of this. So yeah, you're gonna pay, let's see, what's the price of that? 331 Rand for the bottle of the Thieves Concentrate, and you'll get 29 spray bottles like this for your general household cleaning. That adds up to 11 Rand and 41 cents per bottle. That's really cheap. Our other, like, another commonly used household cleaner, you know, like this as a spray, the cheapest variety as well, is about 20 Rand a bottle for a similar amount. So you can see already how economical that is. On the plus side as well, another bonus is you can switch to using reusable things in your home, really reduce your carbon footprint, and also when you're washing and like throwing the dirty water out, or even just washing your hands and that's going down the drain, you aren't causing harm to your environment, and that's really, really big. For me especially, that's a big part of why I jumped on this, because I don't want my actions to be affecting everything, my entire environment. I do feel like we have to take responsibility, and we can do that with this range. Make it really easy. So plant-based, yes, multi-purpose, pleasant, spicy smell, cost-effective, and I gotta say, it does have pretty exceptional cleaning power. I've found this to clean better than pretty much anything, even with doing windows and carpets and the difficult stuff. The Thieves really, really works. Okay, so with the Thieves Household Cleaner, some things that you could make with it: an all-purpose cleaner, a light degreaser, medium degreaser, heavy degreaser. You can make a window and glass cleaner. I'm going to show you that. You could make a refill for your hand soap using Castile soap and your Thieves cleaner. You could use it for floors, walls, fabrics, and your carpets. That's pretty much everything. I've also used this to remove stains from clothes and to clean shoes. Alright, so let me show you quickly how to do this. So this is actually my Thieves Household Cleaner bottle. Yeah, it's about 250 ml. So I use a half a cap of Thieves in here, topped with water. So you can see my bottle's really dirty because this big cap I'm super clumsy with. So yeah, even less than half is fine. So if you had to put a whole cap full in here and then add your water, you'd have like a cloudy mixture, and that would be better for heavy duty cleaning. I used a mixture like that to clean my son's car seat, and it worked really, really well. Okay, top with water, and how easy was that? Now I've got a household cleaner, and this does my kitchen and the countertops, and I use it on furniture as well. It's really nice. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to make a glass and mirror cleaner. Okay, so I use this on our glass table because of, oh, now I've closed this thing too tight. Okay. So yeah, I use this on our glass and mirror cleaner. So the recipe calls for 3 cups of water, but I've got, what's this? A 440 ml here, so it's about 2 cups. So I'm gonna go with half a cap full. I usually go with less because it still works really well. Okay, half a cap full of Thieves, and then if you have citrus oils, so you can use anything, citrus fresh or lemon or orange, then you want to add like 3 to 5 drops. I'll go 4. Then a dollop of white vinegar. I keep my white vinegar in here, this pretty water bottle that I got from a cafe down the road. And I actually use this as rinse aid in our dishwasher. So just literally a dollop, doesn't matter. I don't know, I don't measure. And then I add water. So it's really cool literally using edible ingredients in your whole house and having a house that's properly clean and smells so good. And even doing the windows can be a pleasure. So this is really nice for any glass, windows and mirrors as well. And then also like your metal appliances, like a kettle or toaster or anything like that, if it's metal, this works really well on there. And okay, second cleaning product done. Let me pop that over there. Okay, now I'm going to show you a bit about the Thieves laundry. What am I saying? The Thieves dishwashing liquid. Gosh, I'm getting carried away. So I got this soap dispenser. Got it at Mr. Price. Didn't cost much. And what I do is with my Thieves dish soap, I fill it up to here, like a third, and I fill the rest with water. And I give that a good shake, and that's my dish soap. So I basically just pump it onto the sponge and then wash. Because we don't do a lot of hand washing, we usually use our dishwasher. There is a way to make your own dishwashing detergent, but that's another video. Okay, so doing that, it lasts us quite long because we don't use it that much compared to using the dishwasher. And then your dishwashing liquid like this also helps to make a really great bathroom cleaner. Really, the stuff is phenomenal. My mom loves cleaning. She likes things like really clean. So I made her this, and she says it's the best bathroom cleaner she's ever used. So I know it works. Okay, so for this recipe, really simple. Again, I'm going to start with my Thieves household cleaner, and I'm going to add a full cap for this one. And try not to pour it on the table. Okay, a full cap. I'm going to have a squeeze of dishwashing liquid, doesn't matter how much, and a dollop of vinegar. Oops, my vinegar bottle is stuck in my bottle. Okay, and then top that up with water. Kind of out of water here, but I'll fill it up later. Okay, so you'll fill that up all the way. If you want, you can also add some citrus oils here. It helps with the mirrors and stuff in the bathroom. And then just a few drops. I'll fill that up all the way with water, give it a good shake, and that's my bathroom cleaner for the entire bathroom. Also, when you're doing the floors of the bathroom, you can take a little bit and add it to water and dilute it further for mopping the bathroom floors. But this works so well on tiles and in the basin if it gets grimy, like in the bathtub after we wash our dog. It does not look pretty, but this cleans it so easily. That's what I really love about it. I'm not really needing to scrub anymore. The dirt just lifts off and rinses away so well. Okay, so that's our third product done. Fourth actually, if you count the dishwashing liquid. Okay, now I'm going to show you the laundry detergent. So this is the only one that's kind of a bigger job. So to split it, you want to just get like 2 other glass jars, about 1 liter. So I've got my 2 here. And then split this into 3. So I'm kind of going to guess here. Not very exact. 4, 3rd. You can see it's really thick. And it's super effective. So there's also a way to make I think that one is a laundry booster with bicarb and essential oils. And it's really easy to make. Just take like a 1/4 cup of bicarb and add 20 drops of citrus oils and maybe purification for a nice smell. And then you just sprinkle that over the clothes in the washing machine. And that can just be a laundry booster if you have very dirty or stained clothes. I honestly haven't felt like I even needed that because this cleans so well. So I think I've pretty much got that covered now, 1/3. One's a bit more, but it doesn't really matter. And now I'm going to add to each one of these. You can add 1 to 2 capfuls of your Thieves household cleaner, depending on your clothing situation. I do have a 5-year-old son, so I go with 2 capfuls. Woo! And a little extra in it. So that's done, and then you can add citrus oils of your choice. The lemon really helps with whitening things, so I usually go add about 3 drops to each of these. Okay, and now I'm just going to fill these 3 with water right up to there. So I have 3 liters of it and get 64 loads from each bottle. That's pretty good. And I'll show you here, if you can see this little cup. The load is actually there. That's all you need, 15 mils for a wash. So you only want to fill up to that line. There's kind of a mark there. And yeah, it works amazingly well. There is also a line over there, but I'm pretty sure that that's more than 15 mils. But you don't want to do 15 mils. It works. It really does work. And then if you're looking for a natural softener, you could add vinegar to your wash, like for towels and things. But also some people say that using that booster, the bicarb and oils booster, acts as a softener as well. So you've got good options. There is also a way to make like an on the go like stain thing. What's it? Laundry stain stick. Okay, so you just take a 10 ml roller bottle and add your Thieves household cleaner and a little bit of water. So it'll be like half and half, and you can roll that straight onto stains, let it sit for a while, and then put it in the wash. So that really works. I have tried it on a beautiful shirt of mine that got stained. I used the Thieves household cleaner and it was really, really effective. Okay, so that's another one done. And I'm going to quickly tell you how I used our Thieves mouthwash. Okay, so this is super concentrated. There are people who use it straight up like this. For me, it's way too intense. So previously what I would do is buy a good quality colloidal silver and add a couple drops of essential oils to it. So instead of doing that, I added a capful of this to my colloidal silver mix, and it was really great for me. My husband felt it was a bit weak, so I did 2 capfuls, and it's really, really effective. I still feel like it's quite strong, but my son really loves it like this, my husband also, and yeah, it's like amazing clean feeling. It's so good. So I actually used it because I was getting a bit of a sore throat. I used it as a throat rinse as well to see if it was as effective as my previous mixture, and definitely this is a good one to go for. So I'm not really sure now, because it's my first bottle, how many like capfuls are in here, but I have a feeling it's going to last me a good long while. And I've been enjoying it so much that I actually got the Thieves Dental Plus, which is also pretty ace. Okay, so I think that's basically it. I hope I haven't forgotten anything. There's tons of other stuff that you can do with this, like you can make a mattress sprinkle. So I buy bicarb in a big container like this. So this is like 2 kgs. It cost me 30 Rand. Just go to like your local baking supply store, and they usually sell it in bulk and it's really cheap. I use this to make my dishwashing detergent and the mattress sprinkle, and there is also a recipe to make a soft scrub if you do need to scrub things. Not that I need it. I really feel like this bathroom concoction works so well that I haven't really needed a scrub. But if you do ever feel like it, there is a recipe where you combine like a 1/4 cup of bicarb, and then you add a little bit of water and Thieves household cleaner, and just to make a paste, and you can use that as a scrub. If you have any questions, please let me know. I think this is a really good investment, and I hope you enjoy playing with your thieves.